Jesus is. Listen to what I'm saying to you. I ate that chicken sandwich today. Boo. Listen, the chicken sandwich was so good that I was crying, and the tears from my sweat and my tears taste like chicken. They got a pickle on that chicken sandwich. They got a pickle. Listen to me. They got a pickle on the chicken sandwich that tastes like chicken. The pickle tastes like chicken. You hear me?
I hear you.
It's a buttermilk bread.
It's hard not to.
It's buttermilk bread, and the bread's so soft that it just melts in your mouth. And I got the spicy chicken, Sister Grady. This